In this video, I will show you how to add captions in Premiere Pro. First, make sure you have your clip in the timeline. To create captions, go to the Transcribe panel. If you don't see it, go to the top menu bar, click on Window, then look for the text option and select it. This will open the Transcript panel. Now, select the video or audio clip that you want to transcribe. It will appear in the Transcript panel. Click the blue Transcribe button and Premiere Pro will automatically generate a transcript for your video. Once the transcript is ready, click the CC button to generate captions. A small window will pop up. You can keep the default settings or click the arrow to open more caption options. Here, you can set the maximum character length and maximum duration for each caption. You can also choose between single or double lines. Once you are satisfied with the settings, click Create Captions and Premiere Pro will automatically generate the captions. Now, select all the captions in the timeline and go to the Properties panel. Here, you can adjust text settings like font, size, alignment, color, and other properties. And that is how you can add captions in Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching.